Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming NFC is available and enabled on your Moto Edge 50 Neo. Go to Settings, Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences and toggle NFC on. This lets the hardware communicate. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and remove any metal or thick case that blocks signals, because proximity matters. Have the NFC tag or payment method in hand and unlock your screen. You need active unlocked access to read or write. You now read and configure the tag using a trusted NFC app or the wallet app. Grant any permissions the app requests so it can access NFC and storage. Then, position the tag against the top center back of the phone and tap firmly until you feel a vibration or see a read prompt. Next, choose whether to read, write, or format the tag. Select a payload type like URL, text, or emulate card. Make sure to confirm and save. Poorly written tags may require reformatting. You finish by configuring NFC payments and testing. Set your default tap and pay app under Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then tap and pay. To test, tap the phone to a contactless terminal or another phone. Watch for on-screen confirmation and a vibration. If it fails, restart the phone and toggle NFC. Sometimes toggling airplane mode resets radios. If problems persist, clear the app cache or remove and re-add the payment method or rewrite the tag. These steps resolve most conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.